Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I am in the changi airport. Changi is a famous waterfall, indoor waterfall in the world, the tallest one. See, it's a wonderful place here to visit. A lot of people are here. Very attractive places in Changi Airport, Singapore. Tourists must to come here to see this place, and a lot of attractions here. Food experience we can here. Shopping experience available here, and also full of greenery inside this one. See, very crowded places to see. This one is a nice experience will provide to all. Come. Inside every day in the evening, light show available here. So very amazing place to see. Today I wind up the video. So everybody like and share this one, and also subscribe me in this subscribe the channel. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you.